Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is short messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And yeah, ganun rin. Pagdating sa ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet and sa ating evil eye ring and sa ating evil eye necklace. Okay? Kung may mga tanong po, message lang po ha. Direct message sa ating pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, let's start with you, air sign. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong marinig? Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. The Knight of Cups in reverse and the Lovers in reverse. Oh. Okay. So, meron ditong meron na ditong parang toxic na relasyon na kailangan nyo ng layuan. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng alisin. Kailangan ng i-end. Parang ito is sitwasyon na parang nasa dulo ka na ng bangin. Isang hakbang na lang, laglag na. Okay? Yes. So, sino ang dapat mong layuan? Yung taong hindi nagiging consistent pagdating sa kanilang emosyon sa'yo. Pwedeng Gemini, pwedeng water signs. Okay? So, ano pa? Yeah, the Tower. See, this is separation. Oh, di ba? Kaunti na lang. Yeah, and the Ace of Swords. Some of you, you'll find clarity. You'll get closure from someone. Pwedeng Scorpio, pwedeng Aquarius. Okay? Some of you, may maririnig kang balita. Pwedeng hindi maganda, pero kailangan. Like, mas makakatulong kapag narinig mo or kapag nalaman mo. Okay? So, yeah. Some of you, meron ditong unexpected na pwedeng mag-message sa iyo. Okay? I don't know kung sino. Okay? So, maybe a person from the past. Okay? Like, unexpected. Hindi mo na inaasahan talaga na mag-message sa'yo to, pero mag-message sa'yo. Yeah, I'm seeing here online. Okay? Through chat. Okay, the Queen of Cups. Okay, and the Queen of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong naiinggit sa'yo. Meron ditong ginagaya ka, pero hindi nila maggaya. Okay. Someone needs to love their self more. Yes, para maging blooming. Para gumanda, para pumogi. Okay? Oo. So, yung iba kasi dito parang nawawalan na ng focus pagdating sa sarili. So, that is why parang yun nga, napapabayaan na yung sarili. Okay? So, huwag kayong gumaya sa akin. At tinan nyo, hindi na ako makasuklay. Hindi, ganun po talaga yung buhok ko. Okay. Ha? So, yeah, yun lang na aking nakikita rito. Okay. I'm seeing someone, like, meron ako nakikitang third party dito, ha? May magre-reach out na mistress. Yes, may magre-reach out na mistress sa totoo. Sa totoong wife or sa totoong husband. Woo! Yes! Oh my God! Okay. Uminit ang tenga ko, banda doon. Okay, so next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. What you need to know. Okay. Message. For airs, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. The Knight of Wands. Pursuing goals. Meron ditong mga gustong i-pursue na person. What's with this? Yeah! Uy, may mga nililigawan ng fire sign. May mga ginugusto kayo, no? May mga napupusuan kayo. No? Yeah, meron ditong energy ng reconciliation. Someone will come back. Okay, some of you, there's a friend of yours na talagang may something, may emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Romantic. Okay, romantic. Yeah. So, yun Fire sign, Pisces. Yan. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong liligawan or meron kayong, may iba sa inyo, meron lang gagawin na something like gustong-gusto nyo. Okay? Some of you, this is travel. Yeah, the High Priestess, someone will open up. Okay? Their true feelings. Yeah, the Sun in reverse na pwedeng itinago noon. Okay, may pagdi-deny dito. Some of you may makikita kayong person, no, na parang through their action malalaman yung gusto nyo, gusto ka niya. Pero pagdating sa salita, itatanggi niya 'yon. Itatanggi niya 'yan. Okay? So, nandiyan yung pwedeng nahihiya siya, natatakot sila na ma-reject. Okay? Reject agad. Wala pa man, 'di ba? Some of you meron ditong surprise. May surprise. Surprise visit ang narinig ko. Okay? So, baka mabigla kayo, may biglang dumating. Ha? May sikretong mabubunyag. Yung sikretong matagal na itinago. The Hierophant, the Eight of Wands Universe. Meron ditong madidelay na kasal, may madidelay na commitment, o may madidelay na something like occasion. Okay? And then, i-reschedule. Yes. Meron ditong mga anak ng hindi pa kapanganakan pero mga anak na. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ha? Okay. Yeah, the Page of Wands. May mga mag-start. Meron ditong lalayo or meron ditong tatakbo pagdating sa isang commitment. Matatakot. Some of you may confused. Someone feeling like overwhelmed. Okay? Meron ditong nahihiyang ipakita or ipaalam kung ano totoo nilang nararamdaman sa'yo. Whew! Okay, ba't ganyan? Ang daming ngayon. Hoy, tapos na yung February 14, ha? Ano to? Residue from the February 14. Okay. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Water signs. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ay, grabe namang struggle. Oo, may nag-iisip sa'yo. Or maybe ikaw. Tingnan natin. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong marinig? Strength in reverse. The Devil. Oh! There's a Capricorn na talagang parang pinapa-weak ka. Or weak ka pagdating sa isang Capricorn. Na, pwedeng Leo rin. Meron ditong open, like walang boundaries pagdating sa isang ginugusto. Okay? What else? The Three of Cups. Energy ng reconciliation. Na? Energy ng third parties for some of you. Energy ng occasion. Energy ng victory. Okay? So, what's with this? The Nine of Cups in reverse. Okay. Huwag niyong hapitin, ha? Okay, yung ginugusto niyong mangyari sa buhay niyo, ha? Okay, darating at darating. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Meron ditong taong ginugusto niyo na, okay? Pwede, yung boss niyo minsan. Ginugusto niyo ba yung boss niyo? Ha? Pero hindi pwede, no? Iba sa inyo, Capricorn, talaga ang ginugusto, no? Pero parang hindi makuha. Yeah, meron ditong nalulungkot na upset, nadidismaya. Okay? So, some of you open ka sa isang person as friends, like that, para hindi mawala yung connection. Yeah, this is connection eh. What else? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Talagang open na open kayo for reconciliation, water signs, no? Yes. Or pwedeng merong Leo dito, ang talagang open for reconciliation. Yeah, and the Six of Wands in reverse. Meron dito nagpapahabol. Okay? Some of you, kung ikaw tong may pera, kinakainggitan ka ng ibang tao. What's with the Six of Wands in reverse? Yeah. Be careful with scams. Okay? Scam. Mm-mm. Be careful with people who tell lies para lang makakuha ng something sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. People is always parang gustong gusto ka na laging pinag-uusapan. Parang ganyan. No? Okay? Meron ditong nabalik. May gustong bumalik makipag-ayos. Parang ganyan. Dahil ayaw nila ng distansya. Okay? So, there. Next. Uy, I'm sorry. Baliktad. Earth sign. Sorry naman. Diba? Tawan-tawa na ako agad dun. So, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Anong message ang dapat nyong malaman? Okay? So, Earth signs. Two of Cups. Okay. Water sign. The Eight of Wands. Meron ditong gustong makipag-connect sa'yo. This is romantic. Okay. Someone is obsessing. Meron ditong gustong gusto ka. Earth sign. Pwedeng water sign. Pwedeng fire sign. Water with fire. Okay. Some of you, kausap mo to. Iba sa inyo, kung sino man yung kausap nyo ngayon or kakonect nyo, pwedeng soulmate nyo. Ay! Ay! Hindi yun para sa lahat. Yes! Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Some of you, when you travel long distance, makakita ka ng someone na talagang para sa'yo. Okay? Hindi kabilang dito yung pagpunta mo lang ng mall, ha? Okay? Oh, you need to travel. What else? The Two of Pentacles and the Six of Wands in reverse. Someone is feeling or parang hot and cold pagdating sa iyo. They want you. They want commitments with you. They want long-term relationship with you. Okay? Pero ayaw lang nilang magiging makasarili. Pwedeng earth sign like you, pwedeng fire sign. Meron ditong ayaw maging makasarili. Okay? Some of you meron ditong third party involved. Okay? Nakakita ko dito ng when it comes to your work, sa career, meron ditong parang challenge or pwedeng meron ditong paligsahan. Yung parang, ang tawag dito, may pamimili, no? Oo. Marami kang katunggali. Oo, pagdating siguro sa promotion. Yeah, see? Oh. This is pera. O, yan na. Ha? Earth sign kahapon wala eh. O, ito magkatabi. Ha? Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Ito yung gustong gusto nyo. O, meron ditong nagdadalawang isip or parang para silang hot and cold or para silang urong-sulong pagdating sa isang offer. And this is nice. Okay? This is like the best of both worlds na sinasabi. Okay? Pwedeng pera, pwedeng love, or pwedeng pareho na darating. Hi, claim it. Oo. Okay. Meron ditong nag-iisip. Okay, may nag-iisip dito. So, siguro, pwedeng ginagawa pa lang muna niya yung dapat gawin sa buhay niya. And then, who knows? Diba? Okay, what else? Earth signs. Again, the Three of Pentacles. Meron dito talagang third party, ha? Okay? May pagpili siguro dito na mangyayari. I'm seeing you in a strong connection. Okay? Strong connection. Pwedeng soulmate connection. Yeah. See? The Three of Cups. Some of you, there's a third party na nangyayari pagdating sa tawag dyan, sa inyong workplace. There's a rumor na pwedeng mag-spread, no? Oo, I'm seeing you, some of you, there's a promotion coming. A lot of kaperahan, progress pagdating sa kaperahan. Career, sa mga sinisimulan, sa mga finifix ninyo. I'm seeing victory. Okay? Para sa inyo, mga earth signs. Okay? So, pero, mas maganda yun energy na yun. Pero nakakuha talaga ako ng energy ng third party dito. Someone is being sneaky. Someone is parang being secretive, telling lies, ganyan. Kasi meron dito eh. Okay? Meron dito ring nakikita ako na nagpo-progress na love connection. Okay? There's a progressing na nangyayari sa ngayon. Pero someone is like juggling or someone parang ang tawag dito nangukonsensya, parang may ganyan, may nakukonsensya dito because of a third party. Something kasi is nag-grow na dun sa isa, and then actually yun nga, ito yung nagiging rason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng may nakukonsensya. Okay, because of that. Okay, or some of you meron dito mga naiinggit. Okay, nakikita ka nagpo-progress, ayaw nila yun, gusto nila mahihirapan ka, pero yeah, wala silang magagawa kundi mainggit na lang. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay? So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. So, hanggang dito lang muna ang ating reading. Again, see you on the next one. Bye.